Rod J checking in, Get Paid Network, and we are headed out to meet up with my new business partners, and we have actually partnered in Airbnb, so we're about to get some video footage of the Airbnb that we've picked up. It's a little bit different than you think though, so we're about to head down and take a look at it. It's not your average Airbnb. Let's take a look. If you have a property that you want to get rid of, you can give us a call. We'll do the same for you. 404-997-3555, or you can check us out online, ridebuyscash.com. Rod J, Rod Buys Cash, Get Paid Network checking in, and I have made it over to this property, and this property is actually an Airbnb. But the thing that's special about this Airbnb is it's not in a house like we normally do. This one is in a commercial building. Yep, that building right there behind us. That's where our Airbnb is. So we're gonna go take a look at the inside and show you what we got. Do y'all see this? This is the coolest thing about the video. There's an indoor Dunkin' Donuts. Like, this is the drive-thru. They're literally driving through the drive-thru of the Dunkin' Donuts. Like, that's the coolest thing ever. Like, I've never seen anything like that. Anyhow. So, we're in the building. You see how there's like a little gate? So you can't just pull in. Everybody can't pull in. But this is the, I guess you could say, visitor parking area. So this is visitor parking. These are the people who aren't too far from the situation. Visitor parking. So I'm literally pulling up on Dunkin' Donuts drive-thru inside the building. Like this, I've never seen nothing like this before. This is cool. Is it? Mm-hmm. Is it like all time of the year, or how does that work?
365. Pool never closes. They just gotta come on. Look at this ceiling fan in the bedroom. I'll have to check out. Washer and dryer.
Yo, look at the view. Oh, got the washer and dryer set up. Dang, they official. What's wrong with the ceiling fan?
You hear that noise?
That's what that noise is, the ceiling fan? Yeah. I heard it. I thought somebody was back there with a sword.
Right.
So this is the first setup. Many more to come. So if you're watching this current video, make sure you like and subscribe, because we're going to have some more great content, some more stuff that you wouldn't have believed you could have did, wouldn't have believed that's going to happen. So definitely don't miss this. If you got some questions, comment below and we're going to handle your questions. We'll do some more content, more videos about the questions that you have. So comment below and like and subscribe. Alright, so this is the completed project of the first unit. This is my first unit, not the second unit. So, completed project. So we got everything set up all nice. Snacks once again. And then y'all see the patio out there. Pool amenities. Give y'all a little bit of light real quick. Yeah, we got it set up. Bathroom. Yep. I cut the light on one last time. One last time before I head out of here. I just wanted to get this video footage real quick to show you guys what it looks like, a completed project. Only reason I'm in here right now is because I actually have to let a guest in. So we're already getting to the money. Headed out, gotta do what I do. Holla at.